Best truck bed covers. Number 3. BAK Revolver X2 Hard Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover. RX2 features patented rotational locking rails to secure the cover the entire length of the bed, as well as a latching mechanism to lock the cover to lock at the tailgate. The RX2 hard rolling truck bed cover is constructed with a gloss vinyl material overlaying a sheet of durable aluminum slats. Pros: a hard cover that rolls rather than folds. Can secure to the front of the cab with straps. Comes in 3 sizes. Vinyl over aluminum gives you a smooth look on top. Installation is fairly easy. Keeps water out on the sides. Cons: tends to leak a bit at the tailgate. Bottom line: this roll-up liner has the extra support of an aluminum base. Number 2. MaxMate Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Made of dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames, and comes with stainless steel clamps for easy installation and great durability. Pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer support and conveniently fold up with the cover providing full bed access. Pros: nice frame under a soft vinyl cover. The ease of a fold-up truck bed cover at the lower cost of a soft bed cover. Comes in several sizes. Tie-downs help keep the cover from flapping when folded up. Cons: the clamping mechanism on this can be tricky to get to work right. Bottom line: this soft cover has the convenience offered by a tri-fold system. Number 1. BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover. The low-profile BAKFlip G2 hard folding cover allows you to drive with the cover fully closed, folded, or flipped up without covering the third brake light. This cover features durable aluminum panels and an automatic latching system. Pros: simple installation. Looks good. 3 size options available to fit your truck bed. Allows you to fold back partially if you need to carry tall loads. Good design. Cons: don't expect a completely waterproof seal from this truck bed cover. It may have a tendency to leak over time. Bottom line: a durable hardtop truck bed cover that fits well and folds to the front of the bed. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.